Hey, Lighthouse for Life family, we are so excited to be standing at the harbor after a year and a half of intense work to get this property open. We're not quite there yet, but we're super close. Thanks to the Lord for all that He has done over the course of the last year in providing incredible volunteers, donors, matching grants, other grants, as well as our Lighthouse for Life Reserve. We are on the verge of getting this property open. So again, thank you so much, and all praise to the Lord for all He has done in getting this property ready to be opened very soon.
Right now, we are very blessed and grateful to have two beautiful properties that Lighthouse for Life owns. The harbor, which you have just seen unfold, is going to be a drop-in center for survivors, a place of referral, a place where they can come and be seen and known and get their immediate needs met. Care's Home, our residential property, is also going to provide long-term services 24/7 to minor females that have been victimized by this life in a therapeutic atmosphere. But right now, they are both just properties, and properties in and of themselves don't do anything to help the community. You may have had a chance over your lifetime to visit one of the many lighthouses that are across our nation. When you go visit them, they're a beautiful piece of work, and they may have a story to tell. But they don't do anything just sitting there to help the people, help the ships that are navigating the rough waters and the obstacles in the sea and the darkness to try to find a place of safety. In the same way, these two properties are just properties, and they're beautiful and they have a story to tell. But we want them to make a difference in lives, and we need your help to do that. Lighthouses back in the day had people called Lamplighters that would actually go up and turn the lights on, therefore providing a service that was going to be a benefit to the ships. We need people to help us turn our lights on, both literally and figuratively. We are ready to do that. We are equipped and prepared to start meeting the needs in our state. The Attorney General's office just submitted a report that identified almost 500 individuals in our state that need the services that these two properties can offer. We need your help to do so. Would you help us turn our lights on? This means coming alongside us financially to support the services that we want to offer. The amount, up to you. The frequency, completely up to you. What we're looking for is a commitment to the fight, a commitment to being a part of the solution, a commitment to bringing that light and that hope into the lives of those that need it around us. Join us today by being a lamplighter and help us to use these properties to make a difference in the lives of survivors.